Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 59, I believe. Sorry being a little slow on the videos here, guys. Been involved in some personal stuff, but yesterday's earnings we got was 0.33%. As you see there, I made $46.58 on the money I've invested. The day before that, same percentage, 0.33%. Made 46.47. So as you see, guys, an extra 10 cents from day to day because it actually earns on your total initial deposit, or I guess I would say your principal, and then also your monthly earnings. So since my monthly earnings went up, I actually earned on that. So yeah, guys. So I'm doing really good so far with my account. If I go back over to my investments, go back down here, I'm at 183.32. I made that in 4 days, guys. So yeah, things are going along pretty well. I had a couple new signups underneath me, so I want to thank you guys for signing up. Whoever was subscribed to my channel and whoever signed up, I want to thank you guys for that. And yeah, I shot you some emails, so make sure you check your email, respond back, and we'll get your account funded so you can start earning money like this, guys. And most guys, when they do come in, they usually come in the first three levels, guys. So 100 to 499, you're in 50%. The company gets 50%. And then you go 500 to 1499, you get 60%. The company gets 40%, and so on. So there is some people that have come in underneath these two levels, guys. But most people usually come in the first three tiers just to test it out. They want to see how the whole system works. Of course, this is on the Forex market, which is what I have the money invested in. So you can come in, you can start investing in any of these other sections of the company here. S Pharmaceutical deals with medical marijuana. SIPO deals with their stocks that they have involved with the company, and Liquidity Mining deals with their own token systems. So you guys can come in and yeah, invest whatever you want. But of course, I'm in the Forex market. That was the original investment back in the day, like 2 years ago when I started with S Group, which back then it was called Sincere Systems Groups, SSG, but now it's called S Group. They changed the name, but still same company, still doing the same thing. And yeah, guys. I mean, again, if you have any further questions, my email address is in the description down below. So all you have to do is shoot me an email, and I'll more than happy get back to you, and that we can kind of get some dialogue back and forth and figure out the whole system and how you can approach things. I have a bunch of people in my back office that have made some new investments. As you see, I got some referral money up top here, $9.83. So that's looking pretty good. Yeah, guys. So you kind of want to get going on this. If you're just getting into S Group, if you're just kind of searching along on YouTube, it allows you to make money on your money. Just think of it as like having your money in the bank, but this is a better return on your money. Um, as you can see here with my Forex account, all time I've earned $12,623.91, and this is what I made in 4 days, which is when I reset my account. So you're gonna see basically, yeah, today will be day 5. So after today, because today's Friday, we're going to be getting some earnings in the next hour or so. So yeah, guys, make sure you just subscribe to my channel. My 5-minute daily review video is almost done. Make sure you click on the subscribe button down below so you can be informed of all the new earnings and updates and any changes with the S Group system. And don't forget to click on the sign up link down below. That way you can join my team. I'll go ahead and give you all the ins and outs of the whole company, how everything works, and then that way you can get a better understanding of how everything's going to work. So I want to thank you guys for taking the time to view this daily review video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.